fashion design wide-angle ice cream showcase. It is very suitable for different types of the ice cream shop, bakery shop, and the coffee shop. 3-layer glasses with the heating element, it can be avoid the fog. Also come with the LED indicate light, it can show the ice cream very clear inside the machine. Strong stainless steel body, it is very stable and durable. Machine with a sliding door, it can be very easy open and close. Digital control pedal, it is very easy operation. High power compressor and evaporator. It can control the temperature very strict. Temperature difference between different corners, it is only 1 degree centigrade. So temperature and humidity can be controlled very well. You can get a very good taste and good quality ice cream from this good helper.